Hi friends, crafty friends. This is Susan with Papercraft Possibilities. I've been a little MIA lately, so I thought we should just chat and catch up on a few things. As many of you know, there's been some serious health issues going on here, but I think we're over that hurdle. So we're ready to jump back in. And when we jumped back in, my husband and I just got home from a road trip. I think we covered 5 states in our new little car and broke it in. So we got to see a lot of family. That we have family in California, and saw some friends in Idaho, and got to see some things that we've been wanting to see, and it felt good to be back on the road. But I'm now back in the office and ready to get things going, and I wanted to cover quite a few of those things with you. So hopefully you'll bear with me. I've made some notes so we don't forget anything. First and foremost, I wanted to let you know I have a new website. And the new website is a lot like my Stampin' Up! Website, so I don't want to get the two confused. So my new website is papercraftpossibilities.net. And the Stampin' Up! Website for myself, for shopping on my site, is papercraftpossibilities.stampinup.net. So once again, my new website is papercraftpossibilities.net. So the only difference in the two is you're putting the word Stampin' Up! In between the two dots, if you will. And I appreciate you shopping on my Stampin' Up! Site, because that gives me credit for anything that you order. And I know it's been a lot to get used to since I left. Now I can't remember the name. It's been that good. Now I'm saying it less, close to my heart. So now we're all with Stampin' Up! So I wanted to let you know on that. With the new website, there's quite a few things going on there. There is an area where I'm selling off a lot of my close to my heart stamps and dies, and they're very, very affordable. I just thought someone else could use them and enjoy the beauty of them. But when we're doing demonstrating online for all of you, we need to keep the stock that we have, the product, we need to keep it fresh and new. So I'll be rotating things through there, and you just purchase it directly through my website, and I'll get it shipped off to you right away. There were 2 orders I came home to, which was great. Those have left the studio as of yesterday. And the other thing is there's an area on there for giving back. And I'm a big believer in what goes around comes around. So 3 of the organizations that are close to my heart are foster children, soldiers, and people and families in military, and senior citizens. And what I'm going to start doing is there's a form on there that you'll see, and you fill that out. And what we're going to do as a group is we're going to make cards and fill out this form. And each month there's a theme, which is noted on my website. You'll make your cards, whatever you feel you want to give to, and you'll mark on that form what it is. So you'll need a form and go with a theme each month. And what I'll do is each month I'm going to collect those cards, and I'm going to show them online in my YouTube channel. And I'll make note, if you would desire, and it's on the form, if you would like me to mention a website that you have as a designer or as a paper crafter, I'll mention your name. I'll just mention your first name if you'd like, and what city or country you're from. I'd be happy to do that for you. Then I'll collect all of those, and I will donate them where you feel you would like those to go according to the form you fill out. And I will take pictures when I donate those, so you know that they are going to the place that you would like. I'll just take one picture of whoever I meet with to donate those to. So that is a new program on there. And I will be listing classes, and the classes will be offered like how you sign up for them is they're going to be listed like a product, and it'll say on there how many are left in inventory, if you will, and that'll list how many. When I'm doing in-person classes, that'll tell you how many I have or have space for. So getting in those quick will be important. And the reason why I'm doing some in-person classes is because I am new to Washington. So I would like to meet some more people in my new neighborhood, and I live in a community where there are a lot of new homes. So I think it would be best for everyone in our community. So once a month I'll have a stamping class, or stamping, pardon me, a card class where we'll make 4 cards and complete those at the end of class. And then we're going to have a scrapbook class, and each of those will happen once a month. So I will put that out to my neighborhood, excuse me. The other thing that we are going to have is we're going to have online classes, and there's 2 ways of doing those. On the card classes, I will have pictures of putting the cards together, and you'll be able to sign up for that class and pay to participate in it. It'll be anywhere from like $20 to $25. I will send you the product all cut up and ready to go, everything that you need. The only thing that I can't include is a stamp, but I'm going to try and put card classes together where you can use any stamp where it's not specific to that card. So I know many of us have stamps in our collection, or you can order the one that I demonstrate with, and it'll list, when you get the card information, everything that's needed for that class that I use, but you can use anything that you want. So, but you'll get all that product sent to you. And the other way that you can participate in that card class online is if you order $50 before tax and shipping on my website over at Stampin' Up, I will send you all of that for free if you would like, and you could be goodness gracious, I'm just kind of messing up my words. Anyways, you can partake in that class for $50 or more for free. So you want to jump on that, and there'll be instructions online, but I'll just need your invoice number when you sign up for that class. And there'll be many coming, so just keep your eyes open. The other thing is, for a scrapbooking class, what will happen is, because I can't send the product for that, but I'm going to send you a directions and cutting directions. So cutting directions and how to put it all together. I am going to send the directions to you enough for 4 2-page layouts. So you'll see those, and I'll probably show those online, but not the directions. I'll just show you the pages so you can see if you'd like to participate in that class. And again, you can purchase that, or you can get that for free. Hopefully I said that the right way. So the free classes, cards or scrapbooking, or for any orders over $50 or more before tax and shipping. Then let's see, the new catalog. Can you see it? Anyways, this is a new catalog, and we're only able to show you the front of it. And on September, I think it's September 3rd, September 6th, something like that. I'll keep you posted. We're open to do orders, but I placed a very large order and it'll be here on Tuesday. So I'm going to be doing an unhaul, because we can show you the product. We just can't show you the catalog. And I will be explaining to you what page the product's on, so you can make some notes if you would like to get those things. And there's a lot of Christmas product, some not Christmas either. And you'll be able to, make your wish list for your family too, Christmas, gift time. The other thing, let's see, I think what will be coming out tomorrow, going through my notes, excuse me, is our newsletter, and it's our first newsletter, and there's quite a few things that'll be in there. It's going to be the really up-to-date and important information, and I'll probably be sending out at least once a month. It may be more than that, just to remind you. For instance, right now there's a special going on, or it's not a special, it's last month if you spent $50 or more, Stampin' Up sent you a $5 coupon to use this month. Well, that expires the end of this month. So it would be reminders like, hey, don't forget to use your coupons. It's free money. And so it'll be things like that. But that first newsletter will be going out tomorrow. And if you would like to partake in that, then you need to go over to my website and put your name in there and your email address. And you'll see it. I think it pops up right when you first come on the website. And you'll be able to then put in all that information, and I'll make sure you're on that mailing list. And last but not least, I want to thank you all for being with me and for helping me out and sticking with me through these kind of hard last couple months with our family. And also, I wanted to encourage you to leave me some notes in regards to what you feel you're missing in the paper crafting world. whether it be, you want more journaling, if you want something other than just scrapbooks. I know, or cards. There's people out there that are doing adult coloring books. That is a big deal right now. If you feel like you're missing something, I would really like to know, or even in the scrapbooking and card world, if you feel like there's things that you'd really like to know how to do, even if I don't know myself, I'll find out and get the latest and greatest news to you. But let me know. And I would really appreciate hearing that from you so I know how to direct my channel to those of you who have questions. So until next time, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.